Wisconsin. How we feeling? Alright guys, let's do the last song. Now you guys gotta be thankful for this group of people right here, because if it wasn't for them by the drums, you guys wouldn't get the last song. So let's get it up there. Taught me otherwise.
If you don't know, if you guys look right above that door, it says exit. We're gonna go through that door and go home right now.
Oh! Hello!
Hey, do one in the face.
Some more old school.
Pull your face, bitch. This one's for you, Easy. Motherfucker.
My window, I watch her as she passes by.
motherfucker.